Ladies and gentlemen, changeni pesa mutoe Titus Wekesa Sifuna. 5 million inatakana. If you are serious, you want to know that so many people are joking. Man, inaitwa Wekesa Sifuna. Mwenye yeye ndio ana own ile Twitter account yenye iko na portrait ya picha, iko na picha ya President Ruto na imeandikwa I must go. I am the most incompetent president. I'm the most what? Sasa wewe unaweka hiyo, unataka kufurahisha watu kwa internet, unataka kufurahisha watu kwa nini, unataka kutrend, unataka kuonekana kama wewe ni hero, unataka kuonekana kama wewe ni shujaa. Sasa umeshikwa, uko jela and you're facing 10 years jail. People are moving on with their lives and you are in prison. You cannot raise that 10 million. You can't raise that 5 million and you will face jail. And even the people and politicians who assume or pretend to be fighters, they are not raising that money. So young people, be careful. You cannot fight. You know, there are some giants you cannot fight. Even if you're fighting, use your common sense, use wisdom. To me, akili, my friend. Otherwise, you will die. Mimi kitu naisema kila siku. Let me advise you. You might end up losing your life. You might end up rotting in jail. If the president decides that you must stay in jail forever, who do you think is going to save you? Who do you think is going to help you out of that place? You are wrong. There is no way you can say, you can call president all this name. Man, ukishikwa, unaweza kuwa mnasema kwa group, lakini ukishikwa, you are the one who is going through, you will go through a serious problem. So use your common sense. Tafadhali. Don't be stupid, young people. Don't be stupid, I'm sorry. But now look, simuchangie huyu jamaa pesa sasa, basi atoke. Wa Kenya, changeni 5 million. Changeni 5 million Wekesa atoke. Politicians kama wakina Peter Salasia, changeni pesa watoke. Thank you.